I'm in the season of rediscovering myself, rebuilding, and healing. Not because everything fell apart, but because I want more and better for my life. I've wanted to start this page for a very long time, but I kept postponing it, overthinking, and waiting for the right moment. But this feels like a new chapter, a season for clarity. This space is for real conversations about money, boundaries, confidence, self worth. Not from a place of having it all figured out, but from learning in real time. I don't want to be preachy and I don't want to pretend like I'm healed. I just want to be honest. So if you are rebuilding yourself, if you're learning to choose yourself, and if you are quietly getting stronger, I see you. You are not alone and you're welcome here.